Hi guys! Today we're going to the beach! Yay! O, gantuin mo yung kamay mo. Whee! Hi! We're now at the beach! Yan guys, dito kami nag-stay for 2 days and 1 night. Let's take a tour.
Lagi ang friend nila, no? Kasi nilagay nila tayo sa may mga ganito.
Alam nila may bata. Diba?
Wow! It's a clownfish. Nemo. Look, Jesus book.
Watch your step.
Ocean! Tumingin na siya, oh.
Come on, let's go! Where's your crab? Saan yung crab mo? Wow!
Kasi nga natin ang mukha.
Ang binubungkal mo dyan, ha? Come here, Blay! Outfit ni Dad.
Wala yan. Ay, water na kami.
Hello. Where are you going? Sarap ng swimming mo, ah. Go swim. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just.
Hi! Wow! Talaga naman nabuksan na yung bagong toy.
Siyempre. O, let's play daw.
Yes. Yes. Sleepy.
We're now going to the breakfast buffet. And we're matchy-matchy. Look. We're wearing pink. Kiss mommy. Mwah. Here's our stab sa breakfast buffet. And this is the sweet spot.
Sweet spot. May pangalan ng kain na. Wow. Kaya pala sabi mo kanina, sweet spot.
Ay, look at mommy.
You eat your ice cream, ha?
Blay, look oh. Looks like dad. That's so fun. Look at that though. Yan, pa-check out na kami. Naantay na lang namin yung shuttle papuntang front desk. Ay, Blay, what are you doing? Tsura mo? 40 something na eh. Diyan na yung shuttle. Okay, bye guys. Bye-bye.